to prove a point. I wanted to test also how accurate this will be to reconstruct the shape of the face. And that's one of the reasons because why we have so many tracking points right now. And also it's a really good exercise to test your patients. Now, this tracking point that is in here, it's perfect. Okay, but I want a tracking point on the eyebrow, and that's going to be more difficult because if I just put a tracking point in here and center and start tracking that, I'm going to completely do it. Okay. So one thing that we can do for that to work is to extend this. It's actually pretty good that we can make them not symmetrical and extend this. Now see what happens. Okay. Now we're getting something that is closer to what we want.